Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm Lynn Cayetano Filer. I'm 31 years old. I'm born San Felipe, Zambales.
Yes.
My birthday is February 4, 1978. My parents are Dominador Filaire and Virginia Filaire. They're same age, 64 years old. My father is a farmer and my mother is a vendor. Yeah. Then I live at 062 Barangay Manglikmot, San Felipe, Zambales. Yes, I study at Zambales Central Institute, year 1991 to 1995, graduate. Then I got my course at Ramon Magsaysay Polytechnical College. Year 1995 to 1999, I graduate as a teacher, Bachelor of Science, Industrial Education.
You're a licensed teacher?
Not yet, sir.
You didn't pass the board exam?
I used to take my board exam when I got to graduate, but I decided to go abroad as a factory worker in Taiwan.
Okay, how long in Taiwan?
I worked there for almost 3 years, sir.
Okay, any experience as a housemaid in Philippines?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how long?
Since 2008 until now, sir.
Okay, how many members in the house?
There are 4.
Okay, who are they?
In my employees, sir. First is the teacher, Mary Grace Osalbo, my employer name.
No, I mean the 2 children. How
old? Okay, my youngest is 4 years old. I have 1 year old, and my eldest is 4 years old.
Your employer or?
My employer.
Your employer.
Okay, 2 years old and 4 years old, sir.
Okay. How do you know the baby is sick?
If the baby is not feeling well, you can talk to her or him, or he cannot eat very well, or you can get the temperature. If the temperature is higher than 37, 39, then she or he had a fever.
Okay, when you learn that the baby got sick, what you will do?
I have to ask I have to tell to my boss or to my employee to see to it if the baby is sick, or can I ask a doctor permission to give any medicine.
Yes, right. Okay,
yes.
When you did something wrong in the house, the employer angry with you, what you will do?
I have to say sorry if I have mistake, or I have to do better next time. I have to clean it out, all the problems.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How can you maintain the good relationships of the employer?
I have to be true to my employer. You have to tell what is. I have to be honest. Surely to be honest, to be thankful if she is or good employer to me. I have to love him or her as my own family, especially the children.
Okay, you know how to talk?
A little bit Chinese, a little Filipino, English.
About marketing?
I know, sir, because I grown up in the market. Yes.
Okay, if the employer gives you money to buy some food,
Yes, sir.
How can you manage the money?
Okay, I have to budget the money. I have to buy all the necessary things that are needed in the house. Usually the needed things, not anything that cannot use in a house. Then I have to see to it the fruits or vegetables or meat or any kinds of meat are fresh.
Okay. How can you solve your homesick? Who take care of your 2 children?
My mother and my sister. My sister wouldn't have any have family, sir.
Okay. Any message to your future employer?
Okay, sir, mom, if ever you choose me, I'll do my very best to do my work, and I'm willingly to learn your standard to be a good employee to you. And I hope you like me.
Okay. Thank you.